Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to point a domain to a new host or how to point a website to a new IP address. Okay, so we are going to start. You're gonna have to log in on your cPanel. Okay, when you are on your cPanel, or you're gonna have to find it's where they say domain. Okay, here. From here you click zone editor. From here you click manage. Okay, so in my case this is the website I want. I'm not going to show you the website, but this is the website I want to point to a new server, to a new host by changing this IP address. Okay, so I'm gonna click edit. Okay, so this is the new IP. I'm gonna click save, record. Okay, it has been changed. It might take some time with some hosting company before it's point to the new server. With some hosting companies, it might take 24 to 48 hours, but some hosting company, it instantly. It can take only few minutes. Okay, so you're gonna have to wait. Okay, if also you wanna point your email address to that new server, you're gonna have to find where it say mail dot your website .com or .org. You also click edit and then you put the same. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.